Zoho has so many options available in terms of what they have to offer, so many price points. Today I'm going to go through all of their details and help you decide which price point that you should be looking at. Okay, so Zoho has quite a bit of a pricing structure, and the reason they do this is because they have something for everyone. Okay, so this is how we're going to navigate through Zoho's comprehensive suite. And if you have a startup, a growing business, an enterprise, you can actually find a pricing structure that's designed to scale with your ambitions, your budget, your needs. So let's have a look at what they have. So first of all, their free plan comes with up to 3 users, $0 a month with their essential CRM features. Okay, now this is the Zoho CRM. And the thing is, all of this is separated because if you only need one piece of software, then why would you be paying for the other software? All right. Their standard comes in at $14 per user, and this is for sales, automations, and workflows. Their professional tier comes in at $23 per user with an inventory management system, and then their enterprise and Ultimate, which offers advanced AI automations and multi-user portals, and that you will have to contact sales for that pricing plan. Then when you're having a look at Zoho Books, they have their basic at $15 a month for a single user. Standard comes in at $30 a month, and it supports up to 3 users, which is great. And then their professional tier, which is $60 a month for teams up to 10 users. You can complete invoicing, banking integrations, your inventory tracking, tax compliance, and this is inclusive at every tier. If you're having a look at Zoho Projects, their free plan comes with up to 3 users, 2 active projects with core PM tools. Their premium is $4 per user per month with unlimited project and time tracking, and their enterprise comes in at $9 per user per month with advanced role management. You can also do custom fields and enhanced security protocols. Now, having a look over here, how do you actually choose the right price plan for your business? Well, if you have a small team, you can launch a digital transformation with generous free plans and entry-level options that deliver professional tools without the enterprise price tag. Also, you can unlock automations, team collaborations, and customizations with their mid-tier plans designed to streamline operations and accelerate growth. You can also, with their enterprise scale, harness advanced security, AI-powered insights, and centralized control with their ultimate plans that are built for more complex organizations. Then we have something called Zoho One. It's the complete solution. This gives you access to the entire Zoho ecosystem with more than 50 integrated applications at just $45 per user per month, and this is billed annually. And this is perfect for businesses that are seeking unified workflows across all departments. This means if you need a CRM, you need accounting software, you need project management, whatever it is, everything is included in Zoho One for $45 per user. If you go back and have a look at the individual pricing plans, you'll be paying more than $45 per user if you're buying individual software pieces. So you can choose between monthly or annual billing cycles. There are no long-term commitments or hidden fees. You can switch plans as your needs change. And what's always nice is you can start with their free trials across all of their products. You can test out all the features, you evaluate what actually fits for you, and you can scale confidently as your business grows and your needs change.